everyone, and welcome back to Akshata's recipes. Thank you so much for being here today. So today's recipe of chicken in a pan is super simple, super easy, something you can whip up in 20 minutes. Make it into a chicken roll by putting it into a roti or a puri or a chapati with some lettuce, a little mayo, and you're all ready to go. You have a chicken roll. You can put this into bread, you can make a sandwich out of it, you can put it into pav, or you can just have it with plain chapati and roti as a side dish. So today's recipe is really quick, really easy. So let's get started. So friends, let's see today's quick and easy recipe. So here I'm heating 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Now I'm using olive oil, but you can go with regular oil. Here I have 5 cloves of garlic that I've crushed coarsely in my mortar and pestle. I'm going to add that, and I'm just going to fry the garlic really well till the rawness of the garlic goes away. Now here I have 200 grams of boneless chicken breast that I've just cut into small cubes. I'm going to add that into the garlic and just mix the two well together. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of pepper powder, followed by 2 teaspoons of paprika powder. You can also use Kashmiri red chili powder. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of mixed Italian herbs, some salt to taste, and again I'm going to mix all the ingredients really nicely with the chicken. So this is a super simple recipe. Everything gets into one pan, and it gets ready also really quickly. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Again, mix everything nicely together. We're cooking on a low to medium flame. Now I'm going to add this sweet chili sauce. This is not a sponsored video, but I'm using the Viva sauce. You can use any one that you get your hands on. 1 tablespoon of sweet onion sauce. And mix all of this really well together. Now these 2 sauces are really key to this recipe. So try not to skip the 2 sauces, and they're easily available. And now you're just going to cover and cook the chicken on a low flame for about 8 minutes, stirring in intervals till the chicken is nicely cooked. And then you're just going to garnish it with some finely chopped coriander. And that's it, guys. This lovely sweet chili chicken in a pan is all ready to enjoy. Hope you like this recipe. I'll catch you soon in my next video. A real super quick recipe. This is something I whip up when I'm not in the mood of really cooking something elaborate and my kids are hungry and I just want to get something together and give it to them. So if you like today's video, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click the notification bell. That way whenever I put up a new video, you get a message for the same. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Do share it with family and friends, and go and check out all my other recipes, quick, easy, and really delicious. So thank you guys, and I'll catch you soon in my next video. Bye!